Guys, we just stopped by a local Walmart and also picked up one of these Pokemon tins. Today is July 15th, 2022, Friday. They just dropped out in retail, so hopefully you guys get some pulls. Let's see what we can get today, guys. Woohoo! Let's go! Code card. Promo. 4 packs. Let's go. Pack number 1. Code card for you guys. 1, 2, 3, 4 to the front. Lightning energy. Let's go. Whoop. Sorry. Yeah. Pulling some cards in the car. Hopefully we pull some heat. Let's go. Hey, Charizard, let's go. Woohoo. Pack number 2, guys. Pack number 2. Let's see what we can get in pack number 2. Ooh, it's getting hot. Code card. 1, 2, 3, 4 to the front. Let's go. Fighting energy. We got War Turtle. I think. Couldn't see there. I can't read backwards, so let's see what we can get. Charmander. A-Bomb. Let's go. And a Mewtwo V. Let's go. 2 more packs, guys. Pack number 3. Let's see what we can get. Let's see what we can get, guys. Code card for you guys. 1, 2, 3, 4 to the front. Fire energy. Let's go. Let's go. Hopefully we pulled a Dido somewhere, but I can't see it. But hopefully we pull some alt art. Man, let's go. Let's go. Ooh, Charizard. And oh, what? A Momentum. What? Yo, Charizard. Bang. Let's go. Yo, pack number 4. Wow, this tin is full of heat. Hopefully we can get some more heat for you guys. Code card for you guys. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Bang! Let's go. Let's go. I'm super excited. I pulled the Charizard the other day as well from one of these tins. And man, these tins are stacked. Stacked, I tell you. Last pack, guys. Let's see a last pack magic. And we have a Pikachu. Alright, guys. I hope you guys had enjoyed the video. Stay tuned for next time. Just so, wow, here we go, Charizard. Yeah, let's go. What?